In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know two straightforward ways to get into your business tools, directly through a web search or by navigating from your Facebook account. Let's start with the direct route. Open your preferred web browser and type Meta Business Suite into the search bar. In the results, click the official Meta link. You're looking for the trusted domain, typically business.facebook.com, or another verified Meta address. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're signing in safely. Once the page loads, log in using your Facebook or Instagram account. Meta Business Suite ties to your existing profiles, so use whichever account manages your business assets. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, complete that step as prompted. After you sign in, you'll be taken straight to Meta Business Suite. That's your central dashboard for posts, messages, ads, and insights. If you manage more than one page or Instagram account, make sure the correct one is selected at the top so the tools and data match the business you want to work on. Now, here's the alternative path if you're coming from Facebook. Open your browser and search for Facebook, or go directly to the official Facebook site. Click the correct link and sign in with your usual credentials. When you're on your Facebook homepage, look toward the top right corner for the For Business icon. Click that to open the Professional Tools area. Then, click your profile photo in the top right and choose Meta Business Suite from the menu. If you don't see it immediately, it may be grouped under a Tools or Professional menu. Just expand the options and select Meta Business Suite when it appears. You'll be directed to the same dashboard as before. Once you're in, consider bookmarking the Meta Business Suite URL so you can return in one click next time. If you're switching between multiple businesses, get in the habit of checking the selected page at the top before you post or respond to messages. And if you ever run into a login prompt again, remember you can use either your Facebook or Instagram credentials, as long as they're connected to the business assets you manage. That's it. Whether you searched for Meta Business Suite directly or navigated through Facebook, you now know exactly how to access the platform quickly and confidently.